Welcome all of you in online classes of Urmila Devi PG College, Prasad, Prayagraj. Today discussed about BSc first year syllabus of mathematics subject. In syllabus considered the sphere chapter. In the sphere chapter, first I want to discuss about definition of the sphere. What is the sphere? Actually, sphere is an structure which in three-dimensional space and a particular law. So, in the first article, define sphere. Sphere definition is here, right? Let capital C be a fixed point. Suppose that you have any fixed point, that is capital C, and the point P be point which moves such that, and take another point capital P which moves, means capital C point is fixed point and capital P point is moving point, such that the distance of capital P from the fixed point, means capital C, is always constant. Suppose that is capital R. So here in the figure, capital C is a fixed point and capital P is moving point around to the fixed point capital C, such that distance from point C to capital P always equal to, suppose that here that distance is capital R. Then the structure, means locus of moving point capital P, is called sphere, which because it is in the three-dimensional space. If it is same definition of the circle, if P and fixed point C and constant distance R is such that in the plane, then structure, means locus of moving point will be a circle. So circle obtained if moving in the two-dimensional space, and sphere obtained if moving particle P in three-dimensional space. So definition of circle and the sphere approximately same as, but only differ by two-dimensional space and three-dimensional space. So in the figure, clear that fixed point capital C is called center of the sphere, and moving point capital P is always on the circumference of the sphere, such that distance between PC means capital R, which is called radius of the sphere. So in this definition of the sphere, two are very necessary points: center of the sphere, which denoted by capital C, and moving point capital P, which denoted by capital P, moving point capital P, and distance between them is capital R, which is called radius of the sphere. So for any sphere structure, two most important points. First point is center of the sphere, and second point the radius of the sphere. So is complete definition of the sphere. Now I want to draw an equation of the sphere. So in the second article, equation of the sphere. Equation of the sphere. Suppose that fixed point is denoted by capital C, whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1, and here taken a fixed point capital C, whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1, and from distance r taken other point capital P, whose coordinates is in general form means x, y, z. If this moving point capital P moves around capital C in three-dimensional space, that is the locus of moving point capital P in three-dimensional space, is a sphere whose radius is called capital R, and capital C is a center. So here write capital R and C is a center, x1, y1, z1, and sphere structure such types sphere. Capital C, coordinate x1, y1, z1. So by definition of the sphere, it is clear that distance between points C and P always equal to r. So here using two distance formula, and you can find a equation which is called equation of the sphere. Here write, consider a fixed point capital C, whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, z1. Capital C is a fixed point whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1, and a moving point capital P, whose coordinates are x, y, z, around fixed point capital C in three-dimensional space, such that distance PC or CP, because distance between C and P points always same, that is called CP or PC. So we also write CP is equal to capital R by definition of the sphere, and it is clear from the figure. Distance between point C and P is capital R. So CP is equal to capital R. Here you can using to the distance formula between 2 points, where first point is capital P or capital C and second point is capital P. So according by distance formula is under root of x minus x1 whole square, y minus y1 whole square, plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to capital R. Capital R a distance from point C to P, and according by distance formula under root of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z whole square is equal to capital R. Taking square root both sides is equal to x minus x1 plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to r square. This equation is called the equation of the sphere. This is called equation of the sphere, equation of the sphere whose center is point C, whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1, and radius is CP, means capital R. Here write the radius capital R. So radius is capital R. So it is clear that the equation of the any sphere, if given that center and radius, you can find the equation of the sphere by this formula, putting the values of center x1, y1, z1 and radius, and simplify to this equation. So you can calculate the complete equation of the sphere. Now consider next article. In article 3rd, general equation of the sphere, the general equation of the sphere the general equation of the sphere general equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. D is equal to 0. Suppose that is first equation. So is the general equation of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Its center is center coordinate. Suppose that the center is capital C, whose coordinates are minus u, minus v, minus w, and radius. Suppose that radius capital R is equal to under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. These are two important points. Radius of sphere first is minus u, minus v, minus w, and center of the sphere first is capital C, whose coordinates are minus u, minus v, minus w, and radius is capital R. The value of capital R find by this formula, means under root u square, v square, w square minus d. So consider fourth article, the equation of sphere. Equation of sphere, if given coordinates of extremities points, coordinates of extremities point points of diameter. So in this if x1, suppose that point capital A, x1, y1, z1, and here I want to a figure. Suppose that this is center capital C and is diameter A and B. Coordinates of A is equal to x1, y1, z1, and coordinates of x2, y2, z2 are two coordinates. AB is equal to diameter. In this article, if ends extremities points of diameter are given, then you can find the equation of sphere by this article. So if A coordinates are x1, y1, z1 and B coordinates are x2, y2, z2 are extremities points are coordinates of extremities point points of diameter AB, then equation of the sphere, is x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 plus z minus z1 in second bracket z minus z2 is equal to 0. This is sphere equation where x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 are the coordinates of the extremities point of diameter capital AB. So in this article is complete. In this article shown that if coordinates are given of the diameter end points, then you can find the equation of the sphere by using this formula. So this is complete. Now consider some questions which are dependent on these articles. So in first question is, write the question which are dependent on the previous articles. First question is, question first, find the equation to the sphere whose center is 2 minus 3, 4 and radius is 5. Radius 5. In this question, find the equation of sphere whose center and radius is given. Center coordinates are 2 minus 3, 4 and radius is 5. then is dependent on the previous article. You can find easily the equation of the sphere in the solution. Given center of the sphere is capital C. Suppose the center is capital C. So coordinates of C are 2, -3, 4, and radius is given 5. That is implies to capital R is equal to 5. So first write the required formula which are dependent on this question. Here formula is if C coordinates are x1, y1, z1 is center and capital R is radius and capital R is radius, then equation of the sphere is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to radius square. Radius is 5, so here r square. This is proved in the previous article. So here x1, y1, z1 are the centers coordinates, is denoted by capital C, and r is the radius. So in the question, center coordinates given 2, -3, 4. So x is equal to x1 equal to 2, y1 is equal to -3, and z1 is equal to 4, and radius is capital R. Here the value of capital R, putting r is equal to 5. Then putting x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to -3, and z1 is equal to 4, and radius value is r is equal to 5. Putting these values in equation first, here write this is equation first. In equation first, then equation of required sphere is, so putting the all coordinates of centers and the value of radius capital R in the equation first, and then equation of the sphere is x minus x1, here putting the x1 values 2 whole square plus y minus y1, y1 is equal to -3, so minus plus, right, plus 3 whole square plus z minus z1, z minus z1 is equal to 4, so write 4 whole square is equal to r square. R here putting the value r also, r is equal to 5, so 5 square. Simplify to this equation and find the sphere in general form. So here write, applying the formula a minus b whole square is equal to x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y plus 6y, first square, second square, and 2 times 6y plus z square plus 16 whole square of 4 is equal to 16 minus 8, 4 to the 8z is equal to 25. In this equation, First considered are second degree variable, means x square, y square, z square. After then first degree variable. After then 0 degree variable, means constant values, numerical values. So here write x square plus y square plus z square. X square plus y square plus z square. Second degree variables consider at one place, and second place write one variable coefficient minus 4x. Here write minus 4x plus 6y minus 8z minus 8z. This is first variable, first degree variables. So minus 4x plus 6y minus 8z is in one place. At last numerical values. Here numerical values is first 4. First 4, second is plus 9, and third is 16 plus 16, and 25. 25 is in right hand side of the equation, so is transfer in the left hand side and write minus 25 is equal to 0. You already know that first here x square, y square, z square, no any calculation, and write same as. So x square, y square, z square minus 4x plus 6y minus 8z, 6y minus 8z plus this is equal to cancel to each other, and 9 4 20, 20 plus 5 25. So this is cancelled to each other, and only remain is 4 is equal to 0. This is general equation of the sphere, means in the form of x square, y square, z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2w z plus d is equal to 0. Here d is equal to 4. This is general equation of the sphere. Is general equation of the sphere. General equation of the sphere. In this question is find the equation of the sphere whose center is 2 minus 3 4 and radius is 5. So here first write the given coordinates, means coordinates of the center, and given radius, length. Radius is denoted by capital R. Capital R is equal to 5. Capital R is equal to 5. Then you know that if given that center coordinates of any sphere, suppose that x1, y1, z1, and the radius is capital R, then equation which is learned in the previous article, equation of the sphere is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to r square. It is denoted by first equation. Therefore, according by question, putting the all values of x1 means coordinates at the center, x1, y1, z1. Here x1 is equal to 2 because first quadrant is 2, and y1 is equal to -3 because second quadrant is -3, and z1 is equal to 4, third quadrant of the center is 4. So it's clear the value of x1 is 2, y1 is equal to -3, and z1 is equal to 4. These values putting in the equation first, and also the putting the value of r is equal to 5. So also putting the value of radius length means r is equal to 5. Then here x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square plus z minus 4 whole square is equal to 5 square. Expand to this bracket by the applying a plus b whole square formula and a minus b whole square formula, which already you learned in the high school classes and about that. So first square, second square minus 2 times first and second, first square plus second square plus 2 times first and second, first square, second square minus 2 times first and second, and whole square of 5 is equal to 25. In this equation, first collection of all second degree variables means x square, y square plus z square in one place. So x square, y square, z square. Here x square, y square, z square. So first write x square plus y square plus z square. After then write the all variables of first degree. First degree variables are minus 4x plus 6y minus 8z. So here write first degree variables. After then degree 0 variables means constants. Constants are 4 plus 9 plus 16. Here 25 is in the right hand side, so taken in left hand side and write minus 25, and simplification to this is equal to 4 because 9 plus 16 minus 25 cancels to each other. So remain of the equations is x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y minus 8z plus 4 is equal to 0. This is general equation of the sphere, which already learned in the article second. General equation of the sphere of 2 degrees equation, and is known as x square, y square, z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. So is complete solution of the sphere in general form. Now consider next question. In the question second, find the center and radius of the sphere given by x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x z square minus 4x plus 6y plus 2z plus 5 is equal to 0. This equation, which is given in the question, is in general form of the sphere. So this is general form of the sphere. In this, aim is find the center and radius. So find the radius and center of the given equation, whose form is general. So in the solution, write given equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y plus 2z plus 5 is equal to 0, which is represented by first equation. So this equation is given in the question, and this is general equation of the sphere: x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y plus 2z plus 5 is equal to 0. You know about the general equation of the sphere in the previous article. So here write first general equation of the sphere, but general equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0, is represented by second equation. So in the second equation is general equation of the sphere, and in the first given equation of the sphere, I want to calculate the radius and center of the given sphere, which is represented in the first equation. So comparing equation first and second, comparing equations first and second. Then here coefficient of x square will be same, which is 1, and coefficient of y square will be same, which is also 1, and coefficient of z square will be same, which is also 1. After then the coefficient of x is equal to -4 in equation first, and the coefficient of x is equal to 2u in the equation second. So it is implies that 2u is equal to -4, and coefficient of y in the equation second is 2v. So 2v is equal to coefficient of y in equation first is 6. So 2v is equal to 6, and last the coefficient of z in the equation second is 2w. So 2w is equal to coefficient of z in equation first, means given equation of the sphere is 2. Here write 2, and at last the value of constant d here in the equation second, d, and is equal to in equation first. After comparing equation first and second, the value of d, constant d, is equal to 5. So write d is equal to 5. It is implies that the value of u is equal to -2, the value of v is equal to 3, the value of w is equal to 1, and d is equal to 5. So by article the value of t is equal to -2, v is equal to 3, and w is equal to 1, and d is equal to 5. It's clear that after comparing equation first with equation second is general equation of the sphere, and equation first is given sphere equation. Okay. Then the center of given sphere, means sphere first is, suppose that is denoted by capital C. So coordinate of capital C are -u, -v, -w is equal to, here -u, -g, -w you discussed in the article. If equation of the sphere in general form, then its center coordinates are -u, -v, -w. So here putting the value of u, v, and w from above calculation, u is equal to -2, so minus plus 2, and v is equal to +3. So here write -3, and W is equal to 1, putting the value of W is minus 1. This is coordinate of center of the sphere. And radius formula is, suppose that radius is capital R, then R is equal to under root U square V square W square minus D. Here this is formula already learned in the article. Radius R is equal to under root of U square plus V square plus W square minus D, putting the values of small u, v, w and d from above. So is equal to under root of u is equal to minus 2, so minus 2 whole square plus v is equal to 3, so 3 whole square, and w is equal to 1, so 1 whole square, and minus d, here d is equal to 5, write the value of d 5. Taken in calculation, so under root 2 is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 1 minus 5. Here 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, so plus 5 and minus 5 neglect to each other and remain is plus 9, so write plus 9, under root of plus 9 is equal to 3. It is implies that radius is equal to 3 and center coordinates are 2 minus 3 minus 1. So in this question, first write the equation of the given sphere, after then write the general equation of the sphere. General equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2w z plus d is equal to 0. I want to coordinates of center and the value of radius. Therefore, comparing these two equations, and after comparing these equations, first and second, 2u is equal to minus 4. Here, coefficient of x square, y square, z square will be same, that is 1. Therefore, comparing of x coefficient in second equation is 2u, so 2u is equal to x coefficient of in first equation minus 4, so 2u is equal to minus 4, same as the value of 2v is equal to 6, the value of 2w is equal to 2, and constant is equal to 5. So it is implies that u is value is minus 2, v is equal to 3, w is equal to 1, and d is equal to 5. These values putting the coordinates of center, which is already known. So suppose that C is the center of the given sphere first, then coordinate of center are minus u, minus v, minus w, and putting the value of u, v, w from above. Therefore, coordinates is clear, and is 2 minus 3 and minus 1. After then find the radius value. Radius value formula is under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d, putting the all values of u, v, w and constant d from above. So here calculation, after calculating to this under roots is equal to 3. So radius is 3. So it is clear that center C denoted by this and radius is equal to 3 is complete solution of the question second. So consider question third. In question third, find the equation of the sphere described on the line joining 1, minus 2, 3, and second point is minus 2, 3, minus 1 as diameter. Means in the question given that extremities point of the diameter, first end of diameter is, suppose that capital A, so coordinates of capital A is 1, minus 2, 3, and second end point of diameter, suppose that is capital B, so coordinates of capital B given minus 2, 3, minus 1. That is, this question dependent on the article in which discussed about the sphere equation whose extremities, diameters, points are given. So this is same as, so write the given points, coordinates of extremities point of diameter. Suppose that these extremities points are capital A, so coordinate of capital A is first point means 1, -2, 3, and coordinate of second point means capital B. Capital B is second end point of the diameter and capital A is first end point of the diameter. So B coordinates are given -2, 3, -1. In the question it's clear that given that coordinates of extremities point of diameter which are A and B. So write the formula which are dependent on the extremities coordinates of diameter. So the equation, if x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 are coordinates of extremities point of diameter, then equation of the sphere is, here using to directly formula of the sphere equation which is discussed in the article. So equation is x minus x1 in second bracket x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 plus z minus z1 z minus z2 is equal to 0. Putting the values of coordinates x1, x2, y1, y2, z1, z2 from the given coordinates means given points capital A and capital B. Capital A is first end point of the diameter and capital B is second point of the diameter. So putting x1 is equal to first, here suppose that is first, so x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to -2 and z1 is equal to 3 and x2 is equal to -2, y2 is equal to 3 and z2 is equal to -1. These coordinates are given by first point and second point. So here first quadrant and here is the second quadrant. First quadrant is equal to x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to -2, z is equal to 3 and x2 is equal to -2, y2 is equal to 3 and z is equal to -1. Then these values putting in the first, equation first, then equation of required sphere is x minus x1, here putting the value of x1 is equal to 1, so 1, and in second bracket x minus x2, here x2 is equal to -2, so minus and minus plus 2, plus y minus y1, y1 is equal to minus 2, so write plus 2. And second, y minus y2, here y2 is equal to minus 3, so minus 3 plus z minus z1, z1 is equal to 3, so minus 3, and z minus z2, z2 is equal to minus 1, so plus 1 is equal to 0. This is general equation, this is equation of the sphere in diameter form, but it is not general form of the sphere. So first multiply to this bracket, second bracket and the third bracket. So is equal to x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 plus y square minus 3y plus 2y minus 6 plus z square plus z minus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0. Multiply to all brackets. First bracket multiply, then is equal to x square plus 2x minus x minus 2, and second bracket multiply is equal to y square minus 3y plus 2y minus 6, and at last third bracket multiply is equal to z square plus z minus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0. Here write in simplification form, x square plus is equal to x minus 2 plus y square is equal to minus y minus 6 plus z square and z minus 3z is equal to minus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. Here write first, in first place write all second degree values, x square, y square, z square, and after then write first degree variable x minus y minus 2z, and at last write the numerical values minus 2 minus 6 minus 3. So that is systematic form, x square plus y square plus z square and plus x minus y minus 2z plus, here first numerical value is minus 2, so write minus 2, second numerical value is minus 6, and third is minus 3 is equal to 0. After simplification is equal to x square y square plus z square plus x minus y minus 2z minus 6, 9 to 11, so minus 11 is equal to 0. Here write in general form, this is general form of the sphere, so is required sphere equation. So is complete solution of the question third. In the question third, given two coordinates which are coordinates of endpoints of diameter. So first known as first endpoint, suppose that is capital A, so coordinate of capital A 1 minus 2 3, and second point is denoted by second endpoint of the diameter, so is denoted by capital B, and coordinates of capital B are minus 2 3 minus 1. So in this question, given two coordinates point first and second which are end point of diameter, and you can apply directly the formula which are equation of the sphere in diameter form. So x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 plus z minus z1, z minus z2. You can use to directly this formula when given that diameter ends point coordinates. So here putting the values of 1 1 1 and 2 2 2 means first point is taken as x1 y1 z1, and second point, second end point of diameter taken as x2 y2 z2. And putting these values in the equation first, and after simplification at last equation is x square plus y square plus z square plus x minus y minus 2z minus 11 is equal to 0. This is general equation of the sphere, which is complete solution of the question third. So Next question. In the question 4, find the equation of sphere with center at 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 3 minus 4 and touching the plane 2x plus 6y minus 3z plus 15 is equal to 0. In this question, find the equation of sphere but given coordinates of the center. Suppose C is a center of the required sphere, so coordinate C 2, 3 minus 4 and also given that a plane, a touching plane. Touching planes means given plane is 2x plus 6y minus 3z plus 15 is touching to the required sphere. Suppose that touching point is capital P. So P is touching point, therefore by definition of sphere and touching to a plane to the sphere, is clear that distance Cp is equal to radius of the sphere. And you know that if you want to equation of the sphere whose center is given and radius is also given, then you can write a general equation of the sphere. So here in this question, first calculate the distance Cp, means radius of the required sphere. Therefore draw a perpendicular line from point C to the touching plane, means at the point capital P. So by definition and used to directly formula perpendicular length. So perpendicular length from center capital C whose coordinates are 2, 3 minus 4 to the touching sphere, to the touching plane. Here plane equation is given 2x plus 6y minus 3z plus 15 is equal to 0. So perpendicular length from point C to the touching plane 2x plus 6y minus 3z plus 5, point to this value you can use to the directly formula of perpendicular length, which is write to x1 plus 6y1 minus 3z1 plus 15 is divided by, here this is distance from the figure is clear, Cp, so is denoted by Cp, length Cp is radius of the required sphere, so actually is radius of the sphere, required sphere, divided by under root of x coefficient 2 square, under root y coefficient 6 square, and third is z coefficient minus 3 whole square. Here in this equation, what is x1, y1 and z1. So these are coordinates of the center, means 2, 3 minus 4. First coordinate is x1, second coordinate is y1 and third coordinate is z1. Putting these values in this equation, so here write putting x1 is equal to 2, first quadrant of the center, and y1 is equal to 3, second quadrant of the center, and at last third quadrant z1 is equal to minus 4. Putting these values of x1, y1, z1 in this equation, this is represented by first equation. So Cp means radius Cp is equal to 2 into 2 plus 6y into 3 plus minus 3 into z1. Here z is equal to minus 4, so minus plus into 4 is divided by under root of 4 plus 36 plus 9 whole square of minus 3 is equal to 9. Taken simplification, 2 into 2 4 plus 18 plus 12 divided by is equal to 63 36 plus 4 is equal to 40 plus 49 under root 49. Under root 49 is equal to 7. It is implies that Cp is equal to here 482 and is equal to 22. 22 plus 12 is equal to 4 and 3 34. So 34 is divided by 7 is a radius of the sphere, means the value of Cp is clear, which is equal to 34 by 7. And given that coordinate of center 2 3 minus 4, putting the values of 2 3 minus 4, I want to one time revision of this. 2 into 2 4, 18 and 12. So here is equal to 4 8 22 and 22 plus 12, 22 plus 12, 4 and 3 32. Okay, so right here, and then equation of the sphere, then equation of the required sphere is used to directly formula x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to r square. R means Cp is a radius, so is equal to whole square. Here what are x1 y1 z1? x1 y1 z1 are the coordinates 2 3 minus 4. So same as putting the value of x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3 and z1 is equal to minus 4 in this equation. So write x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, and at last z minus z1. Here z1 is equal to minus 4, so z plus 4 whole square is equal to Cp square. Cp is 34 by 7, so 34 by 7 whole square is equation of the sphere, which is not in general form, but you can write this form. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus z plus 4 whole square is equal to 34 by 7 whole square is equation of the required sphere. In this question, first calculate perpendicular length from C to P touching plane, and this is radius of the sphere, and also given that center of the sphere. Therefore you can directly use to the formula of sphere x minus x1 whole square y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to Cp whole square. Putting all values in this equation and is complete equation of the sphere. Thanks for today discuss, and I want to next lecture